Hey guys, I'm going on a trek to a place called Dayara Bugyals. I am very excited. It's 12th March today and it's a 6-day trek. I'm looking forward to step on the snow for the first time. So now I'm on the way to my first base camp, which is Rethel, and I know I'm going to have a lot of fun. We took a train from Delhi for Dehradun, and there we stayed overnight in a hotel. Early morning at 6:30, we left for Rethel, our first trek base camp. This is River Ganga at Uttarkashi, and here you can see a man-made waterfall called the Khedi waterfall. If you look closely, you can also see a rainbow. Hey guys, I'm in my first base camp on my trek. This place is called Raithal, which is 7,096 feet above ground. And here you can see the snow-capped mountains. I'm really excited about this trek. We are on the way to Gui, and here you can see three beautiful mountain ranges. That is the Bandarpunch, that is Srikant, and on the right with the full snow is the Gangotri range. This is the first glimpse of snow, and looking at these dry plants, I'm pretty sure this whole land was covered with snow. At Gui Base Camp, we set up our tents and I spent my first night in a tent. It was below 0 degrees at night and we slept with 3 layers of clothes and 2 layers of sleeping bags. You can imagine how cold that must be. Right now, we are leaving Gui for Chilapada, and today we will gain a height of 1000 feet. We were led by Ayushi Didi, our trek leader, and Jairaj Bhaiya, the local guide. This one view sums up how fantastic this trip has been for me. We have reached Chilapada and I'm excited to see snow so close to the tents. We'll be spending the night here. We have to sleep early today because we will be on our way even before sunrise tomorrow. It is 5 am right now and we are starting our climb to the summit. We've reached the Dayara Shepherd huts and the sun is about to rise. The rising sun made the snow-covered mountain peaks glow like gold. I just love being at a place with so much snow around. Walk on the snow and I'm going towards the Dayara Bugyal. I'm halfway up the summit, but I'm really tired. Really tired.
We have reached the summit. We are so tired, but we are so happy.
This is a view from the summit. Mount Bandarpoch and the other peaks looked very close by. It felt like being on top of the world. Hi, I am Aditya from Delhi. I'm 12, and the whole time I was on this Dayara Bugyal trek, nothing, trust me, nothing disappointed me. But the best thing I liked was the view. The view. This view just automatically gives you these peaceful thoughts, and believe me, you can hear the mountains whispering. And I mean, this is just unbelievable. This trek is just unbelievable. So beautiful, but unbelievable. We spent about an hour on the summit and descended towards Nayata base camp. We're about to reach the Nayata base camp, and today I walked like I have never before. I walked 10 kilometers straight in one day. I haven't done it before. My feet are killing me. We are having breakfast at Nayata right now, and after breakfast we will proceed to our last base camp, which is at Raithal, and after that we will go home. I enjoy having food in this open area. I was the youngest member of this trek team, and the trek leader, Ayushi Didi, made me and Dia, another teenager, the trek leader for our descent. I trekked to the height of 12,073 feet, and now I'm back at my last base camp, which is at Raithal. So that is it for this video, and please keep watching because I will be uploading more videos related to this trek, such as the activities we did and the wonderful people I met, and also things that I learned, which are quite many. So yeah, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and push the bell icon to not miss out on any of my new videos. And thank you. Bye bye.